Hey guys, welcome to the workshop tour. Follow me to my office please. We will start there. Welcome to my office. Not super big, not super special. Here is where the magic happens. Let's go to the workshop again. So this is the workshop guys. Super big, I know, but never big enough. We have some Sigma tables in stock. On the left side, for you guys the right side, we have the montage area. On this side, we have the welding area. I like to have an open space, so we can make big items. We can do everything what we want, and voila, let's go. Here we have some U-blocks. Then this is the area where we do the preparation work. Here you can see our CNC plasma cutter machine. We have a milling machine, a drilling machine, and a pinch machine over there. On this area, we do the steel stock. We have a cutting machine, another cutting machine, and a lot of steel in stock. So we can make a lot of big stages. Ciao guys!